Turn it to this old back boiler, no heating, no hot water was the fault. Have a quick look at the back boiler. Go to the programmer, it's calling for heating and hot water. Room starts cooling. Pilot light's just sat there, boiler's not doing anything. Go up to the airing cupboard and notice the pump's leaking first off. So got to get the bung out, get that changed over. I did test the fuse was okay, turned it back on, nothing happened. So better check in the 10-way, undo the 2 screws, whip the front off. I've seen neater, but never mind. Get the voltage tester out, 1 probe on earth, 1 probe on grey, with cylinder stats satisfied. I'm getting absolutely no voltage at all. So move the probe over, do earth to white, nothing on there either. Go downstairs, have a look at the consumer unit. It tripped the RCD, pop that back on, go back upstairs. 240 on white, 240 on grey, 240 on orange. Pump's lit up, boiler's roaring away, happy days. Fortunately, the gas fire front was already capped previously, so I didn't have to interrupt any gas supply while I took that out. It's roaring away nicely. The tenant did say I could hear dripping all morning, but she didn't know where it was coming from. And it was that pump dripping through her ceiling onto her sofa, and it was just drying it up. Quick run through of the boiler controls. So that's your temperature control stat. That's your igniter piezo. Click, click. And then that's the control setting. So you've got off, and then you turn it to spark to light the pilot light. And then once the pilot light's lit and you've held it in for 10 seconds, turn it to full flame, and then it's all good.